Hello guys, welcome back to another video. You have joined me from my BMW E93 series. Just a quick one today then. I'm going to show you how you can connect your phone to the Bluetooth in your car. Let's do it. An easy way to check if your car has Bluetooth is if you open up the trunk, lift up the floor here and lift it up entirely, and you should see this module right here. This is the MULF module, also known as the Bluetooth module. But now let's head into the car and let's get connected up. Okay then, so let's get started. And this video, let me just say, is going to be applicable to if you have the iDrive. If you do not have the iDrive, then obviously it's going to be slightly different. But let's go ahead and install the key fob. And then as we can see, the iDrive screen has popped up. So what you're going to want to do is press up on the iDrive button, like so, to communications, and then you're going to want to select telephone, and then select to settings menu, and then you want to go to pair new telephone, and then select start pairing. But before you select start pairing, obviously you're going to want to make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, which as you can see mine is. And then you're going to want to select start pairing. Bluetooth name of your vehicle, BMW 27393. Now that's important, we need to remember that because that is the device that we need to connect to on our phone. As we can see, just click the device and then we need to enter a PIN. Let's just have it as 9999, nice standard PIN there. Select pair, and then it will ask you on the screen what your PIN is, so just enter that same PIN, so 9999. That's not my debit card PIN, by the way, don't worry about that. Yeah, we're going to want to select confirm pass key anyway, and there we go. Pairing was successful. Please wait until vehicle and Bluetooth phone have been connected. And then on your phone you may get a notification, allow contacts and favorites to sync. If you want to do that or not, obviously choose allow or don't allow. But once you have done that, each time that you connect the Bluetooth on your phone, it should automatically connect to the car. So we'll just do a test. As we can see, it is connected at the moment, but we will just disconnect it. As we can see, been disconnected now, and we'll just switch on our Bluetooth and this should automatically connect. It should be the top one there, as we can see, BMW 27393 connected. And there we go then, that is how to connect the Bluetooth from your phone to your car, and hopefully you now know if you have Bluetooth in the first place. If you have the MULF module in your trunk, then more than likely you do have Bluetooth enabled. But yeah, hopefully this video has been helpful. Like I said, nice, short and sweet and easy to do. But yeah, hopefully it has been helpful. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in that next one. Peace!